So now children, here we are with some of the sums where I can give you a little hint how to go about it. It's very simple. All the time when the ratios are given, you can get the hypotenuse or perpendicular, anything which is absent, by using Pythagoras theorem. So here cosec theta is √10. So first one I am trying to give you a hint. Cosec theta is equal to √10. So I can write it as √10 by 1. That is what it is, and find all the other. So I make a right angle triangle with acute angle theta. Now if, you should use this word if, hypotenuse is equal to √10, because cosec theta is opposite of sine, that means it is h by p. Sine is some people have, so half people is cosec. So h is √10 and p is equal to 1. So we can get the base. So what is the base? √10 square minus 1. So 10 minus 1 will be 9, and under √9 is what? 3. So you get, now you get everything. You get this as √10, you get the base as 3, and you get the perpendicular as 1. So sine theta will be perpendicular by hypotenuse, so 1 by √10. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse, 3 by √10, and so on. You can fill it. Let us go to the next question. It is given sine theta is equal to a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square. So sine theta is a square. So we know sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is a square plus b square, and perpendicular is a square minus b square. So now we can get the base. So what will be the base? Under root a square plus b square the whole square minus a square minus b square the whole square. So it will be a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 plus 2a square b square minus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 and plus 2a square b square. So b will be 4a square b square under root, that is 4ab. So now you can easily get, I was putting 3 over here, so base will be 4ab. So now again you can put sine theta is already given, cos theta will be 4ab by hypotenuse, and like that you have to change it to theta. So did you understand? Now we go to the third question. So everything is the same, only little twist. You have to just use and apply your common sense. Cos theta is 0.6. Now what does 0.6 means? 6 by 10, so 3 by 5. So again you have to use your brain. Now base is 3, if base is 3, hypotenuse is 5. If you have to use that word, so that you sound that you know it is ratio, it's not the exact, or you can use 3x and 5x and you can get. So you can get the perpendicular, I think so perpendicular here will be 4 by using Pythagoras theorem. So you get it 4. Now they're telling show that 5 sine theta. So left hand side, 5 sine theta minus 3 tan theta. Let us see what it comes to. 5 into sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, so 4 by 5 minus 3 tan theta. Tan theta is perpendicular by base. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, is equal to RHS. So this is how we move. Thank you.